Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing fine. I am great myself. I know you guys are going to ask, so don't ask me. I am doing good. Thank you in advance. So today's video is a bit different. You guys, I've been waiting to reach 10k followers so I can start making like real videos, long videos with this kind of size, right? So today is a good day to start because I went to work, and when I came back, I've got something interesting in my mailbox. And yeah, the surprise is from Google. I got this letter from Google. So we all know Google works with YouTube and many other apps, right? So this letter is from Google Adsense. That means since YouTube is under Google, when you make videos and your account get monetized, they will pay you through Google Adsense, and it goes straight to your bank account, right? So that means we are officially partner with Google. This letter means we are officially partner. So I wanted to show you guys how far we have came. Yeah, and look, this is official logo of Google, by the way. Only the camera is reversed. Yeah, so I started opening it. I opened this side. I was like, wait, I have to film this part. So that's why we are doing it. I have removed this part, and I'm going to remove this part and see what's in it. Yeah, I already started, by the way, you can see. Yeah. Okay. And then this side. I'm so curious. Ooh. Okay. It's I can't show you guys because there are I can actually show you guys maybe. There is no private information in it. It's like an instruction on how to set up my account to get paid. So when I make videos, right, and you guys watch my video, they'll put like ads on my video, and that's how I'm going to make money, and then they will send it to my account. So this like an instruction. It has some code in it. I can't show it to you guys though. Look, this is the code. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.